In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook long video not showing problem on Facebook. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store and update your Facebook apps latest version. Tap on search bar, search Facebook application. From here, you make sure your Facebook apps is updated. If your Facebook apps is not updated, then update your Facebook app. It helps to fix Facebook long video not showing problem. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on Manage App. Search Facebook app. Tap on Clear Data. Then click on Step 3. Restart your device. Step 4. Again open your Facebook apps. Tap on video icon. Then solve this problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.